So in this short video, we're going to be looking at different models, how we can create them in different viewpoints and different angles and different poses, and how we can then create workflows to create a whole model output like this for us to then dress outfits really easily and have that variation with them as well. So I'm just going to start with a fresh page here. And I'm going to add one of my tools. I'm going to add create lifestyle photography here. So first of all, when we come to create Ecomm shots, it's always good to use our prompt assist. So I'm just going to type in create a prompt assist for an Ecomm model shot, blonde from East London, classic and modern features, expand on the hairstyle and details, wearing a simple black swimsuit. And I can click send. Now this is good because it then expands on all of those details that you want and gives a really descriptive option of your actual model. Click apply prompt and we generate. And we get some really nice options on here. The other option we can do is we can actually use an image reference as well. So I just move down here. Just add my image reference. And I can click describe image on there. Now this is great because it describes the look, the feel, the lighting, the pose, the natural feel and look of that image. I can click use as prompt and then I'll delete my image reference so it doesn't have anything, it's not taking anything for it. I'll change to portrait and I'll click auto refine prompt off and click generate for me. And we get some really nice options here. I'm going to select my favorite, which is this one here. And I'm going to upscale this as well. So I'm going to click upscale to 4K. Now we upscale to 4K when we're doing this because it makes a huge difference when we're then making edits and changes. So you can see how clear that face is. So when we're actually moving forward, when we're doing on body and making changes, there's much less deviation from here as well. I'll then prompt AI and I'll just refine. So I'm saying remove the shirt, socks and shoes and change those just wearing black swim shorts. Again, this really helps when we're then doing on body because it adjusts to the actual shape of the garments that you're using much better. Perfect. Now we have one of our key styles and our key models to select from. I'm going to keep this one here and enlarge this one, and we're ready to build some more outfits and poses now with this. So the first one is simple. We will just prompt AI and we will say show from the side. Now it's important just to turn auto refine prompt off for this tool and then 4K, and then we're just going to do one image. Okay, so this is great because we can get really high resolution with the 4K. We're only generating one image, and because we're going to be doing a workflow, we don't need to auto refine that prompt. I can also then create another one. I'll prompt AI another one and show from the back. So I'll do the same thing, 4K, one option, show the back view and generate. We can also do prompts like show from a 45-degree angle from the left, from the front left. I'm going to say slight leg bend in pose and generate. I can also ask prompt assist to help me. So I'm just saying ignore the model type, create a prompt to change the pose to a top half shot with a slight head tilt. It gives me a really nice option here. So then apply prompt and generate. We can also even create like dynamic poses and describe things like expressions and stuff as well. We can also ask prompt assist with image references. So we like this pose and I can say ignore the model type, lighting, clothing, just create a prompt describing the pose. Okay, and that's going to give me a prompt just describing the pose of this model. I can then click apply prompt, remove my model, select my previous one and click generate. And now if I zoom out, we have our really nice collection here. I can actually now select all of these and I can go convert to workflow I can rename to model workflow, copy and paste, bring in a new model, drag that over to replace, and then just click run workflow. And we get everything, all of our sets straight away.